Maybe I would attempt to answer the question from the rolling stock perspective before maybe I get to the infrastructure. Maybe also with the infrastructure side. I think what is dominant in South Africa currently is the issues around vandalism, cable theft, and everything that relates to that. What we've been seeing, which is really keeping us awake, even in the high yield corridors, corridors like the North Corridor, where we move our coal, is the issues around the cable theft. Not only that, also the overhead cables and the signaling cables that we actually keep us awake at night, because vandalism is actually quite high in those areas. So when we talk about the signaling equipment being stolen, that then introduces a safety risk in the system where there's then manual authorization of trains. That is a safety risk first and foremost, and above that, it also eats up in terms of the cycle time that you need to traverse in section. In some areas, you can traverse in 3 hours if all the signaling equipment are operational. But in some instances where there's manual authorization of trains, that time can be doubled, which is then eats up your resources. Your crew time runs, they run up, and also you find yourself needing more rolling stock to operate. Whereas if you can just address the issues relating to those kind of incidents, we will then be able to traverse in the design safety times. Thanks.